Hi everyone, hope you're well. I'm just filming a quick video on the groove from the Trinity Rock Pop Grade 2 version of Song 2 by Blur. It's a tricky groove to pick up straight away, so I'm just going to break it down a bit and hopefully it will help you to learn it. Towards the end of this video there's also a play along section as well where I'll play the groove through slowly and you can hopefully play along with that and it will hopefully help you to learn this one. So to learn this groove, we're going to start by playing eighth notes on the rim of the low tom instead of the hi-hat. So that would sound like this. Do one bar. And then we have to learn basically two different bars that use a combination of the other drums. So bar one, the bass and snare pattern goes like this. So if I put that together with the rim of the low tom, it sounds like that. Now you might notice I'm not playing the high tom yet. We're going to add that in later. I'm going to come back to that. So the second bar of the sequence, the bass drum pattern is slightly different. It sounds like this. I'll do that with the low tom. Now, it's a good idea to get used to those two individually first. So maybe you could pause it on the video with the notation on the screen so that you can run each one of those through separately if you're not 100% confident with it yet. But the next step is to try and link those two together. So I'm just going to play that now. So to add the toms, this is the final step. The high tom is going to go on 4 and in the first bar, and the low tom is going on 4 and in the second bar. So a good way to start this is maybe just trying to do it without the bass drum, just to get used to the movement of your left hand. So I'll demonstrate that. It will go like this. And then of course the final step will be trying to put the bass drum in with that as well. So I'm going to play this, I'll do it twice around and I'll do it very slowly. So as I mentioned earlier, what follows now is a play-along sequence. So it's approximately 1 minute of 3 different tempos. So it starts off very slow, which is at 60 beats per minute. Then it goes up to 90 beats per minute. And then the last one is at full tempo, which is 116 beats per minute. Good luck and enjoy.